Hey buddies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis if you're new to my channel, and if you're oldie but a goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today, excuse me, I be looking like a bruja. But today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. Today is actually my birthday. Woo! My birthday is actually on St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. So I decided that I wanted to do a little get ready with me while I get ready for the night. Me and Omar are just going to go hang out with a couple of friends. A little get together, nothing too big or too crazy. Too crazy. My beaner side is coming out. Nothing too crazy. We're just gonna hang out for a bit and then come home. I don't want to come home late, obviously, because I don't want to leave the baby for too long. But nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So if you want to see what look we come up with, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, girls, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna go for my go-to look just because we're kind of running a little short on time. The get together is at 5 and it's 5:41, so I want to get there at least by 7 so I can come home at 9. You know, I already did my eyebrows off camera because that is what takes forever, and I'm gonna be just talking with you guys, you know, chit-chatting with y'all. I'm not gonna be like showing you guys exactly what I use. Maybe here and then I'll mention a product. So like I said, today is my birthday. I am officially 24. So sad. I had told you guys in my last video that I was sad because I was turning 24. I know that's still young, but honestly, I feel like time is going by so fast. It's pretty insane. I don't know, it's so crazy. I'm 24, like wow. And then Omar's gonna be 25 this year. That is crazy. But the good thing is that I'm happy that I'm already married, that I have a baby now. I think we're in a good place right now, honestly. And I'm gonna start working in a couple of weeks. In April, the first week of April is when I start working. I'm super excited. What I do want, like my goal is before I hit 30, I really want to have all my babies. I want to be done with my kids, with having kids. I want 4 kids. So I think if I have them every 2 years, I'll be done by the age of 30. So I think we started off at a good age. Earlier today, if you guys, I'm not sure if you guys are going to see this video first or my vlog video, but earlier today my mom took me out for lunch. We're supposed to go out for breakfast, but honestly I was so tired I didn't wake up because baby Nicholas, he was like up all night. I'm telling you guys, it's so hard with him sometimes at night because that's when he's most active. But yeah, so my mom called me in the morning and I told her, you know what, let's just go a little bit later. So we went to go get lunch instead. We went to a restaurant. If you guys see my vlog, you guys will see where we went and what I got. And that's what we did. And then I was supposed to go to dinner with Omar, but my brother told me if we wanted to go to a little get together today. So I said yeah, and then tomorrow I'll go have dinner with Omar, you know. For you guys that are moms, how did you guys do it to train? Because I know you're supposed to kind of like train your baby so they can be awake during the day and then sleep at night, but how did you guys train your baby to do that? If you did, like, how did you accomplish that? Because I really need to know. These sleepless nights are really killing me, especially that I'm gonna be starting work soon. I don't want to be struggling with waking up or being tired at work or anything like that. So if you guys can please let me know down below how you trained your baby to sleep during the night, I would really appreciate that. So I'm gonna be filming a try on haul for you guys. I've been wanting to film it because I want to like wear the clothes already. I want to do the video first before wearing them, if that makes sense, so I can show you guys what I got. I got a couple stuff for work and then like some little casual outfits. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but what I did went crazy on is on shoes. So yesterday my mom was asking me if I had anything to donate because church was having like a yard sale. So I donated a lot of shoes and a lot of clothes. I feel like my closet is now empty, which is not. I still have a lot of clothes, but I took out a lot of clothes that I like but I know I'm not gonna wear or that I don't wear. And then Omar also donated a lot of clothes. He had like a lot of brand new stuff with tags still that he doesn't wear, so he donated that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my lid now. So I have another question for our mommies out there. What faja did you guys use after giving birth? Because I was looking for a good faja, because you guys know how it's good to like wear like a girdle after you give birth, so you won't stay all loose and whatnot. So what faja did you guys use after giving birth, or did you even use a faja, or did you not use a faja? I got a Colombian one. The one that I really wanted was 120, which is a lot, so I decided not to get that one, and I got the other one, which the one was 56. So far I like it. It's just kind of like a regular waist trainer. The one that I wanted was like a full length one that was like up to a little bit above your knees, and it had like all the back, and it had like straps and whatnot. And then the other reason why I didn't get it is because like it only had 2 places to be able to cinch your waist, if that makes sense. And the one that I bought, it has 3. So if I lose weight, like I'll be able to reuse it until it doesn't fit anymore. And the other one only had 2. So I decided to go for this one too for that reason, because I know I'm gonna lose weight. I'm gonna lose weight and I'm gonna look snatched, so I don't want to waste $120 and then like in a month or so like it's not gonna fit me anymore, you know. It's kind of like a waste of money. I'll color correct because my ojeras are not okay right now. Oh my god, on camera I look freaking crazy. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm gonna go in with the NARS foundation, the new one, the Syracuse. I've been loving it. What is your current favorite foundation right now? You know, the one that I won, another foundation that I tried because everyone was saying that it was so good and this and this and that, everybody was in love with it, was the stick foundation, or the hourglass one. But that one does not look good on my skin. I feel like at first it looks good, but then like after a while it starts looking cakey and like it looks really ugly. But this one I like so far. I've used it a couple of times now, you guys, and I really like it. I've been digging this one. Are you guys more into like drugstore foundations? Or are you guys more into like high-end foundations? Gonna bring it down that budget. The other foundation that I also want to try is like the Giorgio Armani one. That one or the YSL one. I want to try that one. Have you guys tried that one? I'm pretty sure the YSL one's probably going to be so expensive though. This one is the one that I've been loving. I don't really care like if the foundation is drugstore or high-end. It can be from the 99-cent store. If it works good, girl, I'm getting it. I really don't care. I'm not like that. Same thing with clothes, shoes, anything like that. The brand doesn't really matter to me. Do you guys like the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer? I like it. I just think that you really have to set it really well or else you'll start creasing, honestly. Because this concealer is so easy to crease. But if you set it right, you'll be fine. But if not, then you'll be looking crazy. Trust me, girl. There is that. I'm going to go ahead and add some yellow to brighten it up. And the shade, literally, I think it's called yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. I did this in my last tutorial and I really liked how it looked, so I'm doing it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust the setting powder. So you guys, what is your favorite setting powder? Because I've been wanting to try the Laura Mercier one, but I went into the store and I kind of like saw the powder and it looks like it has a little bit of like reflex in there, and I don't know if I would like that for my under eyes. So if you're someone that uses the Laura Mercier baking, not powder, it's not baking powder, but it's just a powder, let me know how it works. Does it work good for your under eyes? Do you use it to bake or what? Because I really want to try it, but I don't know, because sometimes people on YouTube always hype up products that are not even that good. So let me know if you guys use that powder, and if you do, is it worth the money, or should I just stick to my Airspun? I like my Airspun, and then I also like a LA Color one, and then I also have the RCMA one, but I don't really reach for that one as often. So let me know, what is your favorite setting powders? I'm gonna set my face with this Makeup Forever foundation. A long time ago I had a foundation, a Makeup Forever one, and then out of nowhere like it disappeared out of my makeup stuff. So I went to grab one again, and so far I've been liking it. Because the one that I had a while back, it was brand new, and then out of nowhere it freaking disappeared. So what are you guys doing for Easter? Do you guys have any plans? Are you guys gonna hang out with family? Are you guys gonna go to the park and hide some eggs for the kids? I'm gonna go ahead and contour a little bit on my nose. Just a little tad bit. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes. I'm gonna be using the Cocoa lashes that I used for my last tutorial. If you haven't watched that one, go ahead and watch it. I will link it down below. I used the new Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. So if you guys want to see what I thought about it, go ahead and look at it. My battery is gonna die, you guys. And he said it was charged. Since my camera is gonna die, I'm gonna go ahead and put it to charge for a little bit, and then I'll be back and we'll see where we're at with my makeup. I'll probably just be back to show you guys my outfit and whatnot. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with my look. For my hair, I pretty much just put it in a bun. I told Omar if I should put it in a bun or a ponytail. He said to do it in a bun, so I did it in a bun. And then I added my jewelry, my earrings, my rings, and then I put on a black leather jacket and a black bodysuit, and then just some jeans and some booties. But yeah, that's it, you guys. If you guys would like to see more Get Ready With Me, then please let me know in the comment section or by liking this video. I really enjoy these videos because I feel like I'm able to talk to you guys for a bit, chit chat, you know, catch up and whatnot. So let me know if you guys would be interested in watching more of these types of videos. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share these videos, and don't forget to give them a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not part of the beauty family, so you can become a member. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.